All right, let's start reading the slide. Let's start reading the slides, guys. Let's start reading the slides.
Already did.
I know, Noah. Let's give a chance to the other ones, okay?
What
There
type
you
teacher are
are.
you?
Perfect.
What
I
subject do you?
am. I'm your head of school.
Out of school? Okay.
Yeah.
Levi, you
Yeah.
didn't know
This is-
Dr. Abel?
See the same thing
This
like
is
you.
Dean. She's
Uh-huh.
the dean of
okay.
family service, so you kind of look at us like a principal and a vice principal.
Exactly.
That's
Are we
how
ready,
Yeah, I can see
guys?
that.
Here we go. Let's go through the portal. Let's go up there.
Nothing happened. Oh, okay. It happened.
Ooh. There you go. Thank you for pressing the button. Thank you very
People
much.
down the
Time to
bus.
read.
Okay. It's time to read. Start reading.
Helicopters backward or sideways. They are often called choppers because their large, fast-spinning rotor blades cut through the air to create lift, typically reaching speeds around 160 miles per hour. That's actually pretty quick.
Very good. Now, let's find out about these two helicopters you see over there. We had the Engage helicopter and we have the Huey helicopter, okay? And to find out
Why do I
about
have
those
to
two
have a fair fight?
helicopters, let's read this slide over here. And let's find out some information. So if I ask you, what is the height of the Huey at the starting point? The Huey, the black one.
1,000, 1,000.
Okay, where do we put that there? The M or the B? So how high is the helicopter, the Huey, at the starting point? That will be the starting position. There you go, Jackson. Yes, 1,000. What about the Engage
this-
helicopter?
1,300.
Okay, that's what we're
Isn't
gonna
it?
put in the blank space. No, I do. Okay, so let's talk about the how the helicopter descend. How fast?
It descends at 300 meters every 700 meters forward.
Okay, and
That's
that's
for helicopter A.
that's the Engage, and helicopter B.
200 meters
200
for every 500 meters
500.
forward.
So what do you think those two pieces of information are?
Those are the slopes.
slope.
That's the slow. Very good. So let's put it in for M for each one. Now, Noah, can you explain why you put 3 over 7 instead of 300 over 700?
Because you need to simplify.
Yeah,
And
very-
300 over 700 divided by 100.
No, what do you
Simplify by 100 or is 3 over 7.
Very good. Okay.
helicopters in
Okay,
there.
so you ready to answer the
So we
question
can-
of the quiz? Here we go. I'm gonna
So-
press.
so
You're
we
gonna
can-
see a
we
quiz
can-
is gonna
so
pop
we-
up. A quiz is gonna
So
pop
we can
up.
eliminate
There you
can
go.
eliminate C and D because they're both aren't the same ray because it's obviously
I say
helicopter Engage because it is a steeper downward slope, meaning it loses its height more quickly as it moves forward.
In other words, that 3 over 7 is a bigger fraction than 2 over 5. That's basically
Then
what
2
that
over
is
5,
saying.
yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
All right.
Yeah.
Everybody, let's go through the portal. Let's go to the next platform. Here we go. Okay. So Jackson, since you put 1,000 there, that was the horizontal distance of the Huey, or that was the height of the Huey?
The height of the Huey.
And what was the horizontal distance at the beginning? You can look over there. Look over the rail, and you're gonna see what was the original horizontal distance. This one here, what's the distance of this one here? This one is 500. What was the one over there
500.
first?
Oh, zero.
There, let's go put it on the table. There you go.
Because it's the y-intercept.
Exactly.
And then 500,
Uh-huh.
and now it's going to be 800.
That's the Huey, right?
Yeah,
And-
for the Huey.
and what
Huey,
about for the
me, it's that,
Engage?
And then for the Engage, Noah's got that one.
No, okay, write that one.
actually, I don't know.
Oh, look
I don't
over here.
remember the
Look
numbers.
over the rail. Look over the rail.
So no.
What is the
Noah.
horizontal
So you
distance?
see here. So you look at the Huey helicopter. It says no. The Engage. What number is it there?
I think that's engaged. I see the
800.
letters.
Yes. What number is it there?
1,086.
And what is
Okay,
the
now
that's
look
the
down,
height.
Look down. Now you see those numbers? You see the start and then the 500?
Yeah. That's
So
the
you're gonna
vertical-
put-
That's the side
So you
distance.
see
Yeah, exactly.
you see- yeah,
Horizontal.
So you see, look, come over, look at mine. So you see how I have 500 here because that's where we're at.
The slide on the right. I want you to make a prediction. Do you think these two helicopters are gonna crash, collide? Use your sticky note. Looking at the helicopter. Look at the landing zone all the way to the right end. Do you think these two helicopters are gonna crash? If you say yes,
think it's
explain
possible.
why. It's not
It's
only yes or no.
possible.
It's not only yes or no. It's yes
You have to
because,
explain.
no because, and then put your name. It's not only yes or no. Okay, you say, what do you think? Do you think these two helicopters are gonna crash? Mid-air.
It's
want you to make a
possible because they're
prediction.
not descending at the same rate.
Explain that. Very good. Put it in. If that's what you think, put it in. Ooh, I'm looking forward to see what are your responses here. Remember, like I show you the clip of the helicopter crashing against the airplane. That's what we want to avoid. That's why we're learning this. We can use math to figure that out, to avoid tragedies like that. Remember, put your
we take a
name
picture of this?
somewhere. Okay, so good, Anthony.
Do we
Put
take
it
a
over
picture of
there.
this?
Yes, I like it. Put it over there. Yes. All right. Those of you who finished, let's start going to the next platform. Let's go. Go through to the portal. We're gonna check your prediction is correct or not at the end. That's what we're gonna do.
Do we have to take a
Gonna
picture of this?
verify that.
It wasn't goes down first.
Ooh.
800 or the 108.
I
I
think
think
186
it's
or whatever.
186.
But I think I think we may collide.
1086 will go down.
They might
No,
collide.
I think it's the 800 because that one's more closer to ground.
Yeah, but you got to
More
think about
than
it. That
engage.
one's descending.
You
That
think
one's descending
Huey,
slower than the
Levi?
engages. Huey is
True.
There's a huge
descending slower than
difference.
the engages. The engage is descending faster, so therefore it
Love
might
this.
actually
Love this.
hit the ground
Talking
faster
about
than-
math.
than
Yes.
the Huey.
Are we ready to see what happened with the
course,
next?
If
Even
they
though-
collide, then they'll
even though
probably
Huey
both fall
is-
down at the same
Yeah.
time.
Yeah,
we ready?
even though the Huey is at 800 and the engage is
Yeah.
at 186.
All right, press the white
It's also
button.
Press it.
possible for them
Look
to-
what happened now with the helicopters. See?
Wait, which one is which?
My Huey, my
Oh,
Huey, my
the
Huey.
gray
What
one is
helicopter?
engage. The one that
But
says
I'm after- but I'm
871
next-
is
next.
engage. The one below, the black one, is
Zero.
Huey.
One. Okay. 5.
I hope you're looking at the helicopters. One of the things you should be looking at, they're getting closer to each other.
Yeah. They
Okay.
actually might collide. That's what I was saying.
So
500.
Rebecca, what was the initial height of the engage? Do you remember?
100?
One.
Uh,
1.3k. 1.3k. 1.3 grand.
oh, there, he told you.
1.3 thousand. And then now we're at 600.
Oh, remember, Rebecca, the 1,300 is the height. That's vertical distance.
Right.
Uh-huh. And then the horizontal distance, it was the starting point. So what number we use for starting? There. The platform before was 500 meters after the starting point. And what was the height of the
I don't remember the-
The
I
height
don't
of the
remember
helicopter is
what
1086.
There you go.
What are we doing?
So you start
What are we
looking
doing?
at the TV
What are we
screen,
doing?
so you see the different types of
Firefighter helicopter.
helicopters. In the meantime, there's
Rescue
another question I
helicopter.
want you to answer. How their movements the same? How they are different? Let's see. What do you think is happening with the path of the two helicopters?
The path of the helicopters is they're both moving down at a different rate, but they seem to be they seem to have
Going
a
forward.
good distance. They seem to have a good distance on each other, but that might not matter because one might still collide into the other one. But they are descending at different rates, so that might include and have something to do with them colliding.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Jackson. Who else want to share? One is going down faster than the other. Okay, they're moving at the same speed. Okay.
Yeah, but they're moving at the same speeds.
What else? All
they're,
right.
They're parallel. They're parallel to each other. At the
Ooh, I
moment.
like that. Who said that? That was Jackson? Ooh, I like that word. Yes, very
Yeah.
good. All right, let's see if that's true at the end. Okay. All right, somebody press the white button now.
Where is that? There.
Okay,
Okay,
now,
so
now
for
the engaged
X,
helicopter.
it was
I
0,
got
500, 1,000, 1.3K, 1,086, 871.
Okay.
I got this
Five.
side.
But this one seems to be moving at a rate of 200 per, so it's moving down to 200. So it's, and they're actually getting pretty close now.
Ooh, you're right. Yep.
But I don't know if it's gonna be, they might not collide because they're going. It's wait, they actually might. No.
I like that sense of wonder. I like that. Yes. Yes.
Oh, now
We're
I'm
at-
actually sure of
Actually, we're 257 away.
Very good. You're checking the vertical
but-
height of each helicopter. Good.
We're going down, so when we land, we actually might collide.
All right. Let's see. We're gonna find out at the end. All right. Here we go.
Because this one's because it's like, yeah, it's getting slowly closer and closer because 6, that's 200, and then this is going down another 200, so it's going to be 200, and that's going to go down another 3.
Ooh, I like that. You're using the slope here. Yes.
And
Yes.
it's gonna, they might
Yes.
actually intercept.
Very good. All right.
I say either A or B.
Without doing any math, what information have you gathered just by watching the helicopter in VR?
I think it's A.
Which helicopter starts higher and
White button.
Me.
There you go.
So
Okay, let's fill out the
200,
table
so-
again.
I got this side.
Let's fill out the table again.
It low key it's
Right.
gonna be close.
Okay, Jackson is. I heard Jackson. He thinks that the helicopters are gonna crash. Anybody else?
It's gonna be close though. It's
I
gonna be
think so,
close.
Yeah,
too.
I think so too.
I
Or
think
at
they'll land
least-
on
I
top
think
of
Or
each
it
other.
will at
too.
least. Oh, at least it will be like really close together.
Okay.
Yeah. It might
I
not
don't think they
crash, but
will.
it is gonna be really close.
Who said that? Who said that?
Rebecca said
don't
it
think
first,
they
and then
will.
I was just like.
That was
into it,
Jen?
and then
You
I was,
said
like,
again?
Adding on.
Yeah, I don't think they will.
Okay. Remember that when we get all the way at the end, at the bottom. Okay.
Wait, one helicopter might land in one specific helipad while the other one is still in the air, and then it'll land on the other
That's
one.
what you think, Ethan?
That's probably what'll happen.
Okay,
That's
let's
probably
find
what'll happen.
out. We're gonna find out very soon. Yes.
They
Uh-huh.
might. Yeah, they're not gonna collide. They're gonna land at separate ones because we're really close to. They are. It's gonna be really close. Like Rebecca said, it's gonna be pretty close, but they're not gonna. Collide.
Interesting. There you go. There you go. All
Okay,
right.
back to
My answer has
speaking.
changed. My answer has changed.
Okay. Okay, the numbers you see in the tables, and tell me how the numbers in the table are related with the helicopters that you see here in VR. So a table value shows numbers, and VR shows motion. See the helicopters moving
How
down.
does it match what you see happening with the helicopters? Just my answer.
How does the table match what you seen happening with the helicopters? You tell me. I'm looking forward for your answer here. I love the silence. It means you're thinking. I like it. We're gonna find out soon if they're gonna crash or not. We're gonna find out soon. That's our next and last stop. Yes, I see that, Mrs. Spaulding. You want to see they crash or not? I like it. You are intrigued. Yes. Put the sticky note. Remember, take a picture of the sticky note once you're done.
Maybe they're just gonna go really close and then they're gonna break like the helicopters, but they'll still be able to land.
We're going to find out very soon. Look at that. The numbers go up each time. Now, when you say numbers go up each time, Levi, which numbers? The horizontal distance or the vertical distance?
Both.
So the vertical distance is going up every single time? Look at the numbers in the table.
Yeah.
Is that what you see?
This one isn't. This one goes down after these two.
Okay. What about the other one? The other table.
This one.
It's all just going
Yeah,
down. They're
this
not,
one also
ow.
goes
It's just going down. They're not going up.
Okay. How those numbers are related with the helicopter? What those numbers are saying? The horror.
It shows
They're
that
saying
they're
they're
going
saying
down
they're saying
more.
what position they're in. What
Okay.
position the helicopter's in.
All right. Oh, look. Levi wrote it down. Go down each time. There you go. And what does that mean? The helicopters are descending. All right. Here we go. Somebody press the white button so you see what happens. Oh, there. Look. There's the landing zone. Did they crash?
Nope.
No. Let's go down there. Let's go to the portal. Let's see more. What happens?
Yeah, like
Yeah,
they were
I
descending at a
told you
steady
that.
rate.
Right. It was gonna be really close.
Yeah, Rebecca was right. It's like really, really close.
Look at that. See? Look at that. I want you to fill out the equation. Put the equations at the bottom. At the
okay,
bottom of
so-
the table. What would be
alright.
the equations? That's more interesting right now.
Plus
500, 300, I think. Oh,
3
mine is 3 over 7. That's
Yours is 3
mine,
over
isn't
7.
it?
Mine is
You wanna know why
yeah.
I
Yours is 3 over
expected
7. Mine is 2 over.
Do you
Okay,
wanna
but
know-
remember, that's the slope, Jackson.
No,
The
I think
slope.
that's on the wrong spot.
Uh-huh.
5.
That goes over there.
Yep. By the way, the slope positive or negative?
I want.
That's
I want
positive.
Oh,
Hold on, just
if the
nobody
slope
going
is
down.
positive, it
It's
means that the
important.
choppers
going
are
down.
going
Mine's
higher.
negative. Mine's
Okay,
negative.
so it has
Mine's
to be negative. By the way, what was the initial height of the helicopters?
1.3K for me.
1K.
Okay. And if you look behind you, look at the path of the helicopters. And you can see, if you stand over here, you can see that it's a straight line. Both helicopters are. By the way, look at that. By the way, mathematically, these two helicopters are going to crash. Mathematically. Not in real life.
There's stairs over there. There's
Okay?
stairs over there if you want to come.
So they're not going to crash above the ground. These two helicopters will have crashed below ground. They will crash,
Mathematically, but they
Jack.
won't
Ethan, they will crash. Look at this chart over here.
Miss,
crash because they have plot armor.
No, not the thing.
Mr.
That
Diaz.
they will crash below
yeah,
ground.
yeah.
The helicopters don't go below
plot
ground.
armor
Miss-
Above ground, they don't crash. They will crash below ground. So mathematically,
is this
they
what you
do
were meaning?
crash. You can see it right here. Look, all the way down here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This is
okay.
what
They
you
do
were
crash.
thinking.
But,
So yeah, I was right.
not in
Yeah,
real life. So one thing is real life, and another
Mr.
thing is mathematical world. Okay. Okay.
Mr.
Let's
Diaz.
go.
Mr. Diaz,
Yes?
behind you.
Oh.
Hey, I wanted you to know that Zabian actually figured that out
Oh, really?
before. He was trying to tell you as soon as he got there that he actually had figured this. He was telling me about. He goes, no, but they still could crash, and that's where he was going. Or do you know why? So he was on this. He was on this path. So I was
Ooh.
trying to catch your attention a little bit earlier with his thinking.
Sorry,
But I just
Sadie.
wanted you to. Yeah, no. This was flying in the most beautiful way, but I just had to bring him in, and so
Yes.
he was thinking along those lines. It was so cool, so
Give
cool
me a
to
high
hear
five.
his process.
High five.
Yeah, see you in teams.